on this list. I love picking up the trash. Right.
I believe that. I believe that. Oh, I would, but I have this video to make, so.
Picking up trash.
You having a good time?
Yeah, good. We're found a bunch of.
We're singing a bunch of songs, bro.
Yeah, and we're doing a bunch of. We're buying a bunch of weird stuff, like a piece of metal.
Yeah, found some nasty stuff.
Yeah, so it's garbage.
Like, leggings.
Nice. Did you keep them? Did you take them home and watch them and use them? Be great. Free leggings for you. Okay. You're enjoying yourself, though.
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Close.
I know. How do you feel about picking up garbage at Bradford today? It what? It's what you want to talk about? Awesome! Awesome! I'd love to see that attitude. You know, a lot of people think that being the cameraman for the noise is an easy job. That it's cozy, it's cushy. I got it easy, you know. I'm not out there working my butt off. I gotta tell you, it's crazy. I'm out there dodging cars, running across the street to get the perfect shot. I'm setting it up at night, late. You know, I'm thinking, staying up late at night, saying, how is this shot gonna be? How is this gonna work? You know? And it gets crazy. Hey, stay off the road! It's crazy. Traffic isn't easy. It's probably the craziest job for the noise.
My name's Eric Marshall, and I just saw the kids coming up to clean up, and I just wanted to say thanks for cleaning up the community.
Is that your cigarette? Okay, good. Good. Don't smoke up the job. Nice. That's good.
Plastic arm.
On a plastic arm? Like a prosthetic arm?
No, like the arm.
Oh. I thought you meant like a real prosthetic arm. I'd be like, someone needs that. So when you get it.
No, I just put in there that picture and it brings out paperwork to watch it back.
Oh, that is good.
Is it?
Was that no for you?
No, possibly.
Is that your first bit of trash you're picking up there, Trevor? Okay, good. Yeah, it's on. Okay. I like that. Good work, Trevor. Go, Trevor! You are working very hard. Try, Cameron. That was a lead, Trevor. Lots of work. That's good. Making Lincoln Park look good.